Meowdy everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. We are going to make some wonderful vegan no-bake cookies today. Alrighty, so you can find this recipe linked in the description, and I'll describe it there too. But what we have is a half a cup of coconut oil, and it's melted. We're going to use some vanilla, about a teaspoon. We have 2 cups of white sugar. You could also use other types of sugar, but white is what I have right now. We have a 1/4 cup of chocolate cocoa powder, all right, and then we have a half cup. I actually used a little extra, about 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter, but the recipe calls for a half. And then we have 3 1/4 cups of oats. I have instant, but it might be better with, I wouldn't go steel cut, but maybe like rolled. Either way, it's fine. And then I am using a half a cup of almond milk, chocolate flavored. And then I'm also going to modify the recipe in one other way. In addition to using a little extra peanut butter, I'm also going to add a little bit of nutmeg. Alrighty, now that we have added everything, we start stirring. We take the heat and turn it on to a medium-low, alright. And then we set the timer here for 4 minutes, alright. And if everything goes as planned, I have done this before, although not with this recipe, but what we want to aim for, actually let's turn it up to about 3 maybe on this particular gas range. It's nice, I've got gas here. I like cooking with gas, although I think the future is electric, needs to be electric, but while I've got it I might as well enjoy it. So anywho, this is going pretty well, and we're just going to let that go, and hopefully we get it boiling about the time that that stops. And at that point, we will go and add the oats and the vanilla, and we will turn the heat on. Okay. Alrighty, it took a couple extra minutes, but now I believe it is ready, so I'm adding the vanilla in there. Alright. I already just put the nutmeg in because I am a nutmeg slut. I love that stuff, absolutely. And now we are going to take this and put those oats in there. I think it won't even need to quite boil so much, really, because these are instant oats. So this should all work out just right, just perfect here. I just need to stir and fold and everything with here, and then they'll be done. Now we just take these and we want to plop them onto our wax paper over here, alright. There we go, I think we gotta flick them. And we'll just keep doing that. Well, it looks like we had just the right amount of room to make these. I've had one of them already, even though it's still kind of hot, and it tastes fantastic, very old-fashioned. Absolutely love it. Well, thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Meow, meow.